Today we're inside the Fishbowl with some of Fishbowl's OpenWorld attendees, Jason Lehman, John Sim, Brad Bukacek, and Paul Heifel. Welcome everyone.
Hi.
So the first question is for Jason. Jason, you seem to be an OpenWorld attendee veteran. How many years have you been attending OpenWorld?
This is actually my 6th straight year. Previous, I was at Oracle and I went for 3 years, and so this is my 3rd year with Fishbowl, so I'm very excited to once again represent Fishbowl at OpenWorld.
And turning our attention to this year, what are some of Fishbowl's activities for OpenWorld 2013?
Sure, we have a lot planned. So we have a booth in Moscone South. That's typically where we direct customers and prospects to kind of start. Come meet us at our booth. We're in Moscone South, number 2226. And in our booth, we're going to be given demonstrations on our Intranet in a Box application, which is a framework, kind of a jumpstart package to get Web Center Portal launched and deployed. We'll also have demonstrations on our mobile applications, including our Fishbowl to Go applications, our tablet applications. We'll also have a demonstration of our SharePoint integration as well as our Google Search integration. We have another booth location as well. We're actually sponsoring the Mobile Pavilion this year, and the Mobile Pavilion can be found in Moscone West. It's there really where we're just going to focus on our mobile application. So again, Fishbowl to Go, our smartphone application, our tablet application, and as well as our Web Center Portal application that we just recently developed. As well as we have planning to take a few customers out to dinner, and then we're sponsoring the Web Center Customer Reception, which is on Monday night. So us, Fishbowl, along with some other Web Center partners, are putting together about a 2-hour party for Web Center customers. And then we also have 4 presentations that we're giving as well.
And speaking of presentations, my next question is for John Sim, Fishbowl's Senior User Experience Consultant. Welcome, John.
Thanks, Angela.
And John, you will be presenting at OpenWorld. What topics are you presenting on, and where will you be giving those presentations?
So I have 2 presentations. One's on responsive and adaptive design with ADF, and the other is all around responsive design, how we can transform Web Center Portal to support multiple devices from tablets to desktops, to maybe even looking into the future going for something like Google Glass and supporting those types of platforms.
And why did you pick that topic for a presentation? It must be pretty popular if they asked you to do it twice.
That's right. So at the moment, mobile seems to be very popular with Oracle. As you've seen, with the latest release of patch 7, there's a lot of work that's gone into the product that now supports mobile devices, iOS tablets, you name it.
So John is giving 2 presentations, and our next interviewee is Brad Bukacek, Fishbowl's Senior Oracle Web Center Consultant, who is also giving 2 presentations. Brad, what topics are you presenting, and when and where will you be giving these presentations?
Thanks, Emily. Yes, I do have 2 topics at OpenWorld this year, both covering Oracle SOA Suite 11G, focusing primarily with integration of PeopleSoft and the component of Oracle SOA Suite called the Event Delivery Network. Both of those presentations are at Moscone West, one on Sunday at 11:45 and the other one Tuesday afternoon at 3:45.
And why did you pick those topics for presentations, and what would you like your attendees to come away with?
So the reason I picked those 2 presentations is my background has been focused mostly on Oracle SOA Suite, but the first presentation that I'm doing Sunday is a case study that I did with a previous customer and how we used Oracle SOA Suite to integrate with their PeopleSoft 9.1 environment. So it really provides, to the audience how Oracle SOA Suite can be used with PeopleSoft and solve some of the business problems that businesses have today. Secondly, the second presentation, focusing on the Event Delivery Network, is just to kind of have a how-to on how the Event Delivery Network can be used to solve any of your integration needs and how it can help solve those a lot easier.
And our last interviewee is Paul Heifel, another one of Fishbowl's Senior Web Center Consultants. Welcome, Paul.
Hi, thank you.
Paul, this will be your first time at Oracle OpenWorld, and what are you looking to take away with you?
I'm most excited to meet with some of our customers, both current customers and potentially future customers, as well as Oracle, and really find out how are people using Web Center content, Web Center Portal today, what are some of the use cases and business needs that they have around that product, and then really what are some of the challenges that they face as well, areas for improvement. I'm also excited to see some of the presentations from Oracle and talk with Oracle about the future direction of the product so that we can take that information back to some of our customers and add higher level of value around the strategy for both those two products.
Great. Well, as you just heard, Fishbowl Solutions has a lot of exciting things planned for OpenWorld 2013. Jason, where can people go to find more information about Fishbowl's OpenWorld activities?
So we do have an Oracle OpenWorld page on the Fishbowl Solutions website. It's under the News and Events section at www.fishbowlsolutions.com. There it lists out all our presentations, our booth location, all the activities that we have going on, including what we discussed today. And I'd also encourage customers or prospects that want to meet with us and schedule meetings before the event just to go ahead and email us at info@fishbowlsolutions.com.
Thanks, Jason, and thanks John, Brad, and Paul as well for previewing some of Fishbowl's OpenWorld activities. This is Emily Bryan, and you've been Inside the Fishbowl.